Spidey and his amazing friends. Spidey to the rescue! Spidey meets his friends at web quarters. It's time to Spidey swing, he tells them. Rhino is on a rampage. Rhino? Spin asks. You mean Doc Ock? I saw Green Goblin, Ghost Spider says. 3 supervillains at once? Spidey says. We might need some help. Spidey makes a few calls. As the team swings out, the heroes find Doc Ock first. I'll squash you, spider pests, she shouts. But Doc Ock wasn't expecting Black Panther. Together, the heroes easily defeat her. I'll stand guard, Black Panther says. Find Rhino! Rhino smashed his way into a bank, Spin says. Smashed? Spidey says. I called the right hero. Hulk helps the Spidey team stop Rhino in his tracks. Hulk will watch Rhino, Hulk says. Team Spidey swings off to find Green Goblin. Ghost Spider tracks down Green Goblin. He's flying over the city throwing pumpkin pranks. I can't fly, but I can reach up high, Miss Marvel says. Green Goblin is no match for our 4 heroes working as a team. Awesome work, Miss Marvel says. Without your help, we couldn't have stopped all 3 villains. Doc Ock, Rhino, and Green Goblin, Spidey says. Thank you all. Asking for help takes courage too, Black Panther says. Hulk happy to help, Hulk adds. The heroes celebrate. They saved the day.